You know, I didn't really think he would actually drop us off a cliff. Neither did I, bruh. Huh. Yeah. Why are you doing that? Why are you making that voice? I don't I don't know. Easy, bro. I don't know. I just heard it. And it kind of was funny. Yeah, I don't get it. I could easily just I could just fly over. I could just come on, bro. Everyone else is already in, so might as well just go also. I really don't want to is the problem. The bad thing is I got a crap real bad and I don't want I gotta hurry. Like, honestly. Yeah, I know the feeling, bro. I went camping when I was younger. Gotta really, use it. Use number I gotta go number two. And yeah, had to use leaves. Didn't work out at all. Like I mean at all. I could only imagine. Hi, it's me, we anime. We I'm here to bring you part six? Yes, six of what if Deku was had Bakugo's um not Bakugo had an explosion quirk. I record for way too long. Oh my god. Oh guys. Doom scrolling really gets to you if you don't watch it. Anyways, hi, it's me. You all know that. I already gotta drink water, so let's just get into it. I don't have anything to say. Let's get into it. Who are you, kid? Get away from me, fake hero. Boom! I know you probably didn't even hear what I just said, like at all. I don't think you heard what I just said. I don't think you heard me. And let's keep it that way. Yeah. Either then we go, a punch to the scrotum is. I forget I said. Um, I don't remember it. I also have it saved on the phone, but I don't remember what he said. Crap. I really hope this isn't coming through on the mic. I'm playing with my scruff beardish thing because I'm having an itch. Sorry, tired. Doom scrolling. Excuse me. Oh gosh. Yeah, I was about to say Asta. He would continue just on the ground, holding his crotch, falling to the side, just kind of with like a high pitched screech for way longer than anybody else even expected. Like kind of like that. Just kind of like inward breathing and like squeezing. Not squeezing, just screeching. Not like the last. That was just a bird impression. But the whole entire. Yeah, Aust oh my God, I did it. He would be in pain. That kid's got spunk. He's like you. What is that supposed to mean? Half and half. Y- You two are similar? I don't, that's it. Oh. Shut up, half and half. What did I do? Like, what did I do? I don't deserve the anger I get. Like, why? 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 I don't know why I did that. Anyways, how's your all stain been going? Mine? It's aight. It's aight. Yeah. I don't know. That you would really call my day, but I want to know how your all day has been going. You got what if ideas? 'Cause I'm halfway. Actually, no, I'm not running out. I have so many to work on. I've been stuck on one. I've been trying to design the hero suit for it. I just can't. I don't know what to do. Like at all. I have no idea what to do with it. I got no idea. Like at all. I got no idea. No clue what to do. Like I have ideas, but they wouldn't work by the way how the quirk works. Even though I do feel like they could just easily like halfway. I just realized. I get that they're two different power systems, but Zoan quirks and the transformation quirk, like how Ryuku's a dragon quirk, turns her into a dragon. I like Dragon Lady. Um, the quirk I'm using right now does transform into two different forms. Okay. Um, it's weird. You'll find out one day what it is. Either way, going on through multiple days of training, getting the quirk, doing their quirk training would be like hell on earth for the last couple days. They're training even harder, even faster, more daily. It would be painful. Especially more painful knowing the fact that Monoma's there and he's Monoma. No one really likes him. Like at all. Like given he's a cool he's a, people like him. He's just really annoying. Like honestly, like very annoying. Right, he's a very annoying guy. And no one really likes you. That's fine. That's okay. No one really likes me. So actually that's a lie. I don't know. I got 125 subs. I'm doing great. How you all been? Yeah, I'm going halfway insane. I need sleep. Anyways, they would continue for a little while longer into the dark on the fifth day. Yeah, let's make it the fifth day. On the fifth day, they would have something known as the fear test, which wasn't really like it was confusing. Deku, not Izuku would take part of it. Like he would be there. But, um, that's all for one. No, one for all. Uh, Mineta. No. Mineta wouldn't be in the class. He's in 1B. Melissa. Yeah, Melissa. Yeah, sure. Let's have Melissa again. Um, I like Melissa Shield. She's a good character. I like her a lot. But yeah, she would be there. She would go look for Coda. Okay. I know I haven't mentioned her at all. Like at all. They're like the previous parts, but I totally just didn't even think about it. Even though I think I did do it on the first episode. I don't remember though. Anyways, I did it again. Izuku would be well paired with, let's say, like someone from 1B. Yeah. No, not 1B. He would be the first one going through. Um, let's go with like, let's go with, got Toad. No, he has an issue. He's a Bakugo, like Katsuki. Um, let's go with, yeah, I'm gonna have to do someone from 1B, right? No, Shinso is in this. He would be paired with Shinso. They would be the first ones to go through, and they would actually make it all the way through, all the way, just not stopping, all the way through, all the way to the other side where Ragdoll is. They'd both sit there for a little bit, just actually for a while, just talking to Ragdoll, just knowing, just wanting to talk about like missions she's been on and stuff like that. And then smoke. The smell of smoke would be a scent. And then a weird gas would roll in. Yeah, no. He would stick his hands to the ground, exploding the gas away. We gotta go. Um, crap. We can't. We gotta find Mandalay. We gotta get out of here too. Yep. Shinso, grab on. You too. One would get on his back, one would be held in like front of him somehow, and then using Jet Fang to blast off even faster, boom, into the air, looking around. Blue fire would be in a circle around the training camp. They could see the gas roll in. We gotta make it to the building. Or Mandalay, someone. Boom, boom, boom. That's right. In this timeline, All for One doesn't get Ragdoll's quirk. One explosion after another. Prepare for touchdown. They would slide, but Izuku would keep his stance and not let him fall. They would make it to Mandalay and Tiger, along with Ida and someone there. Well, Melissa would be there, but she would run off a little bit before Izuku would make it there. Magna, Magni, and Spinner would be there. Well, hey, I can handle these two, okay? Go. Get back to what? Well, Izuku would cut in quickly. Just going for Magna first. Full contact! Boom! The explosion would echo through the area. A large plume of like an explosion plume would just rise up. Magna would be launched backwards, crashing into a couple trees, one breaking. Wasn't she fighting Tiger? I don't remember. I think so. Yeah, no, 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 no. She was fighting Mandalay. So boom, full contact explosion using the bottom of his like shoes, feet, and hands just to make a massive explosion. Anyways, see you later, lizard boy. Hey, my name is Spinner. And he would swing his blade, but Asta just not caring. Yeah, I don't care. Boom, another full contact, half contact. Both arms barred out, just exploding away the blade, landing on his feet, turning quickly, and then bringing his hands out and then back in to cause a clap, colliding rumble. And he would say that before. So he would go, colliding rumble, clap, and then boom, another explosion would just fire off in his face. The explosion would plume out. Well, come on. What? They would all be dumbfounded. What? I take training seriously. And we're not even in the type of situation to do anything around this. We're the ones getting attacked. They'll be fine. They're just knocked out. I know how to control my quirk. No offense. I'm not trying to be mean. You're fine, Izuku. How did you get to Ragdoll so fast? Well, we were there. We kind of snuck off from the rest and left and did it already. Why? I wanted to get it over with. I wanted to go to sleep so I can train more. Okay. Anyways, let's go. Wish I'd had my boom visor. They would all start running in the trees. Not running in the trees like Naruto, but running throughout the trees, heading to the base, where they would see a villain known as Dobby fighting Aizawa. They would be, well, fighting, not really. Aizawa would cancel his quirk, right? I don't remember how Dobby escapes. I know he does. Like I know this is a double, but um, he like burns away or something. I don't remember. But Izuku would rush in quickly as before like Dobby would get the chance to burn away in a sense. Izuku would rush in, say, full contact. Yeah, nothing would be there anymore except for sludge. which Izuku would bend down in reaching and showing it to everyone, watching it drip from his hands. It was made by someone's quirk. We gotta tell, well, they probably already know, but that gas is gonna be it. Wait, gas? Yeah, some gas. I could probably get rid of it. Take a while. Well, we would first have to take care of the causes, and then the gas would be not an issue anymore. What? You're actually planning? Yeah, I know, Shinso. I kind of do that sometimes. Not all just wrong. Jeez, I'm smart-ish. Not really. Yeah, I was about to say, you're not the smartest tool in the shed. Sure, I'm the sharpest, though. I'm joking. Anyways, yeah, what are we going to do? Well, you all are going to go in there with Ragdoll and Mandalay. I know you all can take care of yourselves, but still. Ragdoll's going to use her quirk to locate everyone. Me, Vlad, are going to go out, grab everyone, and get them back here. That's so boring. I want to fight. And then they would all turn to the mountain. Dust would billow. So, we're gonna go, right? Fine. Let everyone else stay here. Me and Izuku will go to the mountain, and then Mandalay. After Ragdoll knows where everyone is, Izuku will come back here. I will go out. Fine. He would go off running immediately. Just before Izal would start, just he would go quickly as he can, making it there, seem muscular, bulk up with a massive fist, ready to rain down onto Melissa. Jet Fang. Grabbing Melissa and Coda at the same time, taking his hand and putting him at the back of their head so no whiplash, and saying, setting him down, your arms are disgusting looking. Yeah, I know that. Rest there. Hey, big guy. You like your quirk, eh? Who are you? Well, another brat I get to beat up. You're quick. Yeah, and you're dumb. You're dead. And then bye bye, Muscle. Yeah, that's why I said you're dumb. Exploding forward, getting his hand in a claw like shape. At the just a strike at the shoulder would send Muscular to the ground. As Izuku would land, he would say, ripping discharge. Already making names? Yeah. I'm starting to like it. I get why heroes do this. It's really fun. Yeah, that's why heroes do it. Whatever. Ow, my shoulder. Did you have to rip off some? He's a big guy. He'll be fine. Yeah, sure he will. You're the one who did it, huh, Brett? Well, no, duh, Sherlock. I'm the clearly. Who else? You think it was her? Her arms are broken. You think that was that kid? His quirk says bye bye to your quirk. Like, bro, clearly it was me. He legit got a rock for brains. No, I got it for an eye. Because that brat's kid parents took it out. Yeah, it also just took a chunk of your arm out. Shoulder, but yeah, whatever. Don't sass me. Don't sass me. Just multiple explosions, just kind of slapping, just kind of, just slapping him and exploding at the same time. Eventually, he would just fall unconscious after another like slap to the face, just sending him flying into the mountain crack, cratering him in. Well, come on. He'd walk over to Melissa, help her stand up, grab the kid by the back of the shirt, and just help him stand up. Come on, I'll I'll take him back to the place, the camp. Okay, I'll be back. You better. What is that supposed to mean? Well, you're my teacher. Clearly, I like you. Rather not having my teacher leave, die. I don't plan to. Make sure they get back. I will. Hopefully. Come on. Just walking back until a loud roar would just come flying at them as a bladed monster would just try to slice off a head or two. Izuku ducking these two down. Oh, crap. Just grabbing them two and exploding away quickly as the thing would give chase. Well, I guess I'll leave that one. I'll leave that place to him then. I, I gotta go deal with Eraserhead. I'll come back for you, you bladed no brain idiot. Making it back to the camp, Izuku would say, "Get inside. Tell whoever. I'll hold him off. You sure? Would I be standing here waiting for him to charge out of the woods to come cut me up? Get him out of here. Get inside." Okay. Well, speaking of his name, come on, you big freak, let's go. Full contact. Blasting backwards, landing on his feet after using the full contact explosion. Izuku would think he was done. But clearly, the green no moo blade thing was not done with Izuku. Izuku then would say, "Oh, come on." No, no, no. Oh, brother. Just leave me alone already. Reference! Rushing up again, just using multiple explosions over and over again. Powerful ones at that. Eventually, Vlad King, Tiger, would arrive outside to see the carnage. Just multiple explosions, blood splattered on the ground. Izuku facing away from them, breathing heavy. They could see the blood dripped on the ground from there. They would rush up beside of him. Are you okay? Do I don't know why I'm making him sound Russian. Vlad King would say, are you okay? Do I look okay? Across the bridge of his face would be a massive cut exposing on the nose bone and also on the two sides of the cheek that are like really bony. Those would be exposed. And on his legs, mostly at his like thighs, would be two semi large cuts, like on one side only though. Like two cuts. Okay, I got one more. Full power contact. Full contact explosion. And I don't think I can move. But my legs can't. Especially with that guy. You're fine. We got this. Oh, I would don't underestimate the big fucker. Language. I don't think that's the right time, Mr. Blad King. Just let me blow him up and then you two just beat him down or whatever you do. Well, personally, let's wait for heroes. That's my idea. We already called them. They're on their way. Oh, good, good. His breathing would shallow. He would notice his vision start to go blurry. I gotta move. Moving forward without any direction, just straight forward. The monster would hold up its limbs to block the explosion, the blades ready to slice at any moment. Yeah, not this time. Switching his direction up in the air as quickly as he could, as high as he would be able to, he was acting like a flare. But then spinning downward like a missile, going around and round, spinning, taking up momentum, a more powerful explosion, even more. He could feel his arms wanting to fall off, but yet he would push past his limits and go plus ultra, erupting discharge. A guttural scream would yell that out, and then the framing of the building would shake. They could feel it crack, the foundations. The entire, for a large radius, would shake from the explosion that just happened. Like a volcano erupting, the explosion would fire off. Izuku would be. He'd try to step back a little bit, catch himself on the side of the building, and just slumping, unconscious, while the Nomu would just be burnt and start to heal. Heroes arrived. Multiple heroes would go out into the woods while some would stay there. One being fast, Black Belt, that's his name. His quirk is Fast Fist. Well, I see my student really put in work. Good to know I can trust him, and his strength shall bring him a far way. Multiple heroes just I'm not going to name them, just multiple, would arrive. Villains would retreat with the thing they were aiming for in the beginning. Katsuki Bakugo. Well, that's the Bakugo brother that they got. That's not really the one they wanted. Either way. The Nomu would be defeated by the group of heroes that arrived. Mustard would be arrested. Moonfish and villains would be arrested. Some villains got away. That's just how the cookie crumbles. But either way, that's where I'm going to end it here for today. Hope to see you next time. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day, night, afternoon, evening. Whenever you're watching us, hope you have a great day. Roll the dice. Goodbye.